Glyphosate and Roundup are not synonymous. Let me repeat it to the people in the back of the room. Glyphosate and Roundup are not synonymous. In the 1970s, 1973 exactly, Monsanto released a product called Roundup, which was a non-selective herbicide designed for agricultural and landscape use. Since then, a lot of things have happened with the active ingredient glyphosate. All that said, you can go to the garden store or to the box store right now and see upwards of 16 to 20 different products branded as Roundup. The Scotts Miracle-Gro company got the rights to Roundup as a brand name and started branding a lot of their consumer products that. Many of them do not contain glyphosate, which is the active ingredient that does what people would depend upon for over decades. So all that said, when you go to the garden store, when you go to the box store, if you're looking for a glyphosate standalone product, be sure and read the label. Of course, there's going to be inert ingredients, but you're looking for the first thing to be glyphosate. There are a couple of products that are labeled with glyphosate on them that can be used as a non-selective, like glyphosate plus pelargonic acid, which can be used in the landscape and in vegetable gardens. But then there's others that have Roundup for Lawns, which has absolutely no glyphosate in it. So read the label. If you're online and purchasing, make sure you look at the label online as well. So Roundup and glyphosate are not synonymous.